cousin Mickey's house. Dominick's cooking some Puttanesca.
And Paul's a little bit drunk from too much tequila. And here's my cousin Mickey, my first cousin.
2 Michelin star chef.
We grew up.
Great dinner.
We grew up together in Brooklyn, New York, and one of my cousins is in here, Sebastian. We miss him.
Yeah.
We're having a great time.
Yeah.
And also, too, one thing, you can kiss me.
You said I do a lot of editing in this.
Thank you, guys.
All right, the gang is all here.
Yes.
We have
What's going on?
Mickey's daughter, Dominique, my cousin, a friend of the family, Joe.
How we doing?
Good, how you doing? And then we have little Max over here.
Little?
Just kidding. And then we have the lovely, what's your name?
Dominic, get in it!
Got my name, Nick.
All right. Well, this is a continuation of the party. There's Dominic, and we're watching our videos over here.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and chop up 3 large cloves of this fresh garlic here. If you don't have large cloves, 6 small cloves will work also. Go ahead and get these chopped up fine. All right, now I got 6 aroma tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and dice these up and remove the seeds. Now we're going to get a 28-ounce can of San Marzano whole pear tomato ready. We're going to go ahead and blend this up for about 10 seconds to do the trick. This tomato is going to give the sauce a very nice consistency, a very even flow of flavors. Alright, the pot is heated up. I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of olive oil. This is actually extra virgin olive oil. And now we're going to go ahead and add our onions and garlic and fry those up. Alright, let's go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 3 fillets of anchovy. We want these to dissolve as much as possible in the oil here. But guaranteed these will be fully dissolved when the sauce is ready. Alright, those anchovies are just about dissolved. Now let's go ahead and add these Roma tomatoes. Stir those around in there. Now I need to soften these tomatoes. These take a little long to cook than the canned tomatoes. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of capers. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of Kalamata black olives. Stir those up. Let them cook. After about 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the blended pear tomato. And then we're going to go ahead and just stir that around. And we're going to let this cook for about 30 minutes total. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to add about 8 to 10 fresh basil leaves. Go ahead and stir that in there. What I really enjoy about this sauce is that there's many ingredients, but there's not one that's overpowering the other. They infuse all together perfectly, which creates this distinctive bold flavor. Really, really enjoy it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add the crushed red pepper. I add about a teaspoon, but you can add less or more, whichever you prefer. And then we're going to go ahead and stir that in there. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to a medium low and cover it. And be sure to stir this on occasion. Okay, now let's get that water going and start cooking that spaghetti. Oh yeah, this is coming together real nice. Oh my God, the smell is unbelievable. I wish you can smell this sauce right now. Very nice. Alright, sauce is ready. Oh man, it smells so good.
My father-in-law came and gave me a big bag of zucchini. And I couldn't remember the name. I'm like, so I was like, well, I don't know. Me and his mother were like, what is this thing?
Let me see that zucchini.
So I had two of them.
Now that's the zucchini.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that.
As big as your head. All right, we're getting ready to eat. Pasta. Look at that.
I would have got
Thank you.
Parpadella.
Paul, let me
And
know how much you
fusilli.
want.
I'm good with that, but
This is good?
a little bit more. I couldn't see. It looked like a lot on the camera here.
Extra sauce.
I wish you lived over here. You're so far.
Oh my God.
me too.
He doesn't-
I told
No,
you.
we're going to Texas. We're going to Texas, Dom.
We are.
We're going to Texas.
Come too.